Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is something a little different. I can't say I've tried this before. I mean the product at least. But today's video is in partnership with Geniuswigs. So it's going to be another wig try on video. We're going to see what's going on with this new unit that I'm a little impressed by. I haven't tried anything like it, so I don't really know what to expect. So this unit is a headband wig, but it is a little bit different than the usual. Let me take it out and show you guys. So it does come in a box and then it's covered with a hairnet, and this texture seems to be, it feels a little textured. I can't say it's kinky straight, but it's straight, but it has a little bit of texture to it, which I really like. So it is a headband wig, but the catch of this is that it is a straight to curly wig. So you can literally wet this, it'll get curly, and then you can straighten it and it'll look perfectly straight. So the thing that's nice about these kinds of wigs is that you can create that wet and wavy type of look, or that just like the wet look with curls, when it looks like your hair is wet but it's actually dry type of thing. So I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna put this on my head and see how it looks. If you don't know, a headband wig is a wig that has tracks sewn into the cap and then a headband in the front instead of a lace front. So you can easily cover your head with this headband, push it back, and use your edges as the front of your hair. It's easy to throw on and go, so you don't have to spend time styling the front of your hair. It has pieces attached at the bottom, these Velcro pieces to tighten it at the bottom of your neck. It has adjustments inside, it has clips as well. So if you didn't know, that is the construction of this wig. Okay, so first things first, it feels really comfortable on my head. It's secure, it's not moving anywhere. The Velcro in the back is really nice. It fits nice and tight, but it's not too tight. This part looks great. Yeah, so far I can't complain. It looks really good. And the actual texture of this hair is nice because it's not fully kinky straight, and it's not just regular straight hair, I guess. This feels like some type of blowout with a little bit of texture. I love the length. It's a very natural length, natural density. This could pass as my own hair. I feel like my hair is maybe a little bit shorter than this, but it's pretty close. So this could really go as me with my hair blown out, I would say. Okay, so let's try out this feature. We're gonna figure out this whole wet and wavy, straight to curly transformation type of thing and see how wavy or curly it goes. I'm really excited. Okay, so I guess I will use a spray bottle so we can see the transformation. So this is before, and let's try out this transition and see how it looks. What I like about this is that you can literally wake up in the morning and decide what kind of vibe you're going for the day. So today we are going wavy. Okay, I'm gonna start spraying and see what happens. Let's start at the bottom. I'm making sure I'm saturating it as much as possible. Oh, the back is starting to curl up. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, it is working. It is actually going curly or wavy. If I were to straighten out my curly wigs, this would take forever, but the texture of this is so lightweight that I feel like after it goes curly, I can imagine how easy it is to go back to straight, because it's such a light curl, I guess, a light wave, but it still has that really nice texture to it. This is so beautiful. And as you can see, the transition to curly also doesn't take very long. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Okay, so now that it's curly, I'm gonna put some product in it, put a little bit of mousse to help it keep the wave. Not that I doubt that it needs it very much because it has a nice texture going on, but I'm just gonna put some mousse in to, you know, help it dry a little bit. Okay, so I'm using this mousse to help with the waves and curls. Okay, so far so good. This is giving me beach vibes, vacation vibes, even though we're stuck at home and not traveling, but this is definitely making me feel like I need to be on a beach. The nice thing about this is that it is a headband wig, so I'm going to try out different styles, different wigs with some headbands that they sent me, so you guys can get a feel for what you can actually do with it. I like to pull my headbands back a little bit. I mean, I like to make them nice and small, so then you can't really notice it. It just kind of looks like your hair is pushed back, you know? All right, we have 4 different headbands here. Let's try them out and see how they look, and then I will pick which one I like the best. This one seems to be one of those tube ones. I love these. So let's try this. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. And with this, you can actually push it back and create, like, you know, a longer headband, so then you can have your hair pushed back out of your face. Let's pull it down even more. It looks like you have a little scarf tied on. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, let's try the next one. This is a regular twisted headband, and this also covers the black part up here. Ooh, so you can pull it apart, cover the black part with the back pieces, have this in the front. This is nice. It's nice and thick. I feel like this would be good for winter. Kind of works as like ear warmers as well, or ear covers. Another tube. These are so stretchy. Wow. This one can just be a regular headband as well. Okay, pull this back. Maybe I can cover my whole hair with this. Oh, I like this too. Okay, so like if you're just running to the store and you just want to have your hair kind of pulled back, but you don't want to just leave your own hair just like in a bun, this looks great too. And then the last one. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this one's just like a crisscross one. I always like to make sure my edges are nice and done, so then it kind of blends into the rest of the style, because the rest of my hair looks done, so obviously you want to make sure that so does the front. Okay, so without any of the headbands, this still looks really cute. It still blends into your hair very seamlessly, so you don't really see the black piece right here, which I don't mind wearing it like this at all, especially if I'm wearing an outfit that's really neutral. I'm really impressed by the transition of the curls from that straight texture, and I feel like even when it is straight, I could probably also put some wand curls in that, and you know, fully switch it up, and then it'll look nice and fluffy and like, you guys know what I'm talking about. The nice thing about a wig like this is that you can wear this every day in a different look with a different headband and a different style, whether it's straight or curly. You can wand it, you can put mousse in it, you can pull it back into a low ponytail and still have it look very natural. You can do a half up, half down situation, clip it right here. There's so many different options, so I'm really here for these headband wigs. It's been saving me so much time in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was informative. I was a little bit skeptical going into this because I have never had a wig that transitions so seamlessly between straight and wavy or straight and curly. Usually it's more one than the other, which I find that with this, it's a very equally both, because the texture isn't too heavy, it's not too curly, and when it's straight, it's not too smooth either. So when you do switch into the other one, you don't look at it and think, that's a straightened curly wig, or that's a curled straight wig. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the details to this will be in the description box down below, so you can check it out. To have it be able to be curly and straight at the same time, I think that's bang for your buck in my opinion, because then you're getting both for the price of one. You know what I mean? Thumbs up this video. Make sure you check me out on Instagram so we can stay connected there. And Geniuswigs Instagram, you can shop there or check out their website. Everything is in the description box, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.